Hi, I'm Jesse Krier from K2 Ranch in Clayton, Wisconsin. Welcome to Greatmats Horse Training Series. So in this segment, we're going to actually teach this filly to be desensitized to these ropes. We've already drove her around a little bit. Now we're going to ask her to, we're going to up the ante a little bit, if you will. We're going to get this a little more intense for her. We're going to get her a little bit more desensitized to these ropes. And this is a process I like to do to get them so that they relax when there's adversity, as opposed to get more high-strung at it during adversity. And during this process, we just start flopping the ropes until she stops moving her feet. When she stops moving her feet, she's given to the process, and she's figured out the process that she's not going to get away from it with flight. Flight is an option that horses explore to get away from fear. And we want to just show them to just stay the course, stay there till the water's hot, and ask her to relax. So what we'll do is we'll just turn her around here, flop that rope over her butt, start flopping it on her body. She gets desensitized, or she gets a little bit agitated, I should say. Change direction so it's a little more user-friendly for me. Oh, sorry, girl. Sorry. You're all right. Process. So here she's gotten agitated, and we're just going to keep giving or pulling until she gives to us. She's fighting us here. She's fighting that give. Process it. Process it. Atta girl, good girl. And then it sets us up too to get that rope up where I wanted it in the first place. Step. So we start flopping this rope around on her, asking her to give and relax and stop her feet. I'm not asking, I should point that out. I'm not really asking, I'm just waiting on her to give. Got to get it between both feet, or on the, not between the feet, I should say. There, now we're set up to desensitize. She's going to keep moving her feet. She's figuring out, the more she moves her feet, the rope keeps flopping. Good girl. She starts to stop her feet. We do it a couple more seconds just to set it in stone. Show her that moving those feet didn't get her anything. All it did was get her more exercise. She took a big deep breath there. We release, walk up to her and reward her. There we go. So now we're going to do the other side. We had the first side's always a little more invasive. She gets a little more disoriented, I guess. So today now we're gonna ask her for the other side. And this usually goes a lot faster on this other side because she's already figured out stopping moving those feet is where it's at, where she gets her rest, where she gets her relaxation. And then we can just really sink it in stone that stopping the feet is ideal. Not taking off running from everything is the best option. And she's just about there. She's thinking about it. I'll maybe bump a little bit in the face, just pull her to me. Not gonna pull her to stop, just gonna ask her to stop her feet a little bit. Try to give her an inkling of an idea to stop. She's just about there. She's just still on guard a little bit. She doesn't want to give 100% yet. She still wants to keep that option open of running away. There, she's there. Just do it a couple more seconds to desensitize. Really sell it. Good girl. She's licking her lips, relaxing, seeing that it's not a bad thing. This is Jesse Krier, and you've been watching the Greatmats Horse Training Series.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.